Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. I'm a computer science engineer and aspirant data scientist. So in this video, I'm going to talk about strings and then indexing and slicing with the strings, and then I'll teach you string methods which are most important concepts in the strings. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Welcome back to the course. It is part 2.5 in this Python series. So let's have a look at agenda. In the agenda, we'll begin with the concept of order strings, and then I'll teach you how to assign values to the string and how to perform concatenation. And then moving forward, we have indexing and slicing. And next up, we have string methods. It is the most important concept in the string, so kindly watch it out. And we end up the lecture with the logical questions. In the end, I'm going to give you assignments, so kindly wait for the end. And it's a bit long video, so kindly watch the video without skipping. So guys, what are strings? So generally, strings in the Python are surrounded by single quotation mark or double quotation mark. So here you can see that hello in the single quotation mark is same as the hello in the double quotation mark. So now let's print it. Print hello in the single quotation mark. It is printing, right? I can do the same thing for the double quotation mark. Hello, right? It is the definition of the string. It is surrounded by either single quotation mark or double quotation mark. Now let's have a look at properties of the string. The property number 1, strings are immutable. Here you can see that I'm assigning a value to the string hello. So I can't change the value of the string, right? So you can't change the value of the variable a because strings are immutable, right? So we have property number 2. Inside the string, we'll call each character as a element. Right here you can see that in the string I have 5 characters HELLO. These are called as elements, right? And we have property number 3. Inside the string, each element will have their own index value. So guys, wait for 2 minutes. I'm going to teach what is index and what is slicing. So guys, just remember we have 3 properties in the strings. Now let's see assigning string to the variable. Var equal to techCodio. Let's print it. Var. Now let me check the type of this variable. Var. Yeah. It is giving string. So guys, it is a single line string. Right? So because if I have a variable a equal to a string, I want to make it a multi-line. This is a string. It is not executing because it is only for the single string. So for the multi-line string, I have assigned 3 quotation for the left and 3 quotation for the right. So it is printing. So now you can see that it is printing the value in a multi-line. It is known as multi-line string. Now we have the concept of indexing. Indexing allows you to access individual character in a string directly by using a numerical value. So let me explain it with the example. I have a string techCodio, right? I want to access this t from this string. So how can I do that? Way of 0. Yeah. I got only the t value. In the indexing, we have 2 types. Positive indexing and negative indexing. So the positive indexing start from the 0 to the end, right? And for the negative, we can start with the -1. So now let's see the positive. Positive starts from left to right. So I want to get the value of e. So what is the number? It is from the left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I want to get the value e. So what is the number of e? It is what is the number of e? It is 1. It is giving e. So I want to get the value c. What is the number of c? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 4, it is c, right? So we can do the same thing for the negative indexing also. We can get the same characters by using negative indexing. Negative starts from right to left. The negative index start from the right to left. From here 0 is -1, I is -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, -8, -9. For the I, what is the number? B of -2. I'm getting. So guys, I want to tell a shortcut for this run button. So guys, how you are doing means print. You're printing a value of a string by running this button hello. But you can do it by pressing shift plus enter at a time. Right? Hello. techCodio. So now I'm doing shift plus enter. Yeah, it is running. Right? So guys, remember it is a shortcut for running these cells. So guys, I want to get this value C by using negative index. So what is the number? -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5 for C. -5. Yeah, it is giving C. So guys, it is easy, right? Positive indexing start from left to right. Negative indexing start from right to left. In the indexing, we can access only the single element. But in the slicing, we can actually return a range of characters. So right, now let's have a look at syntax. In the syntax, first you have to give the square brackets and then starting index and ending index. Right? Now let me take an example. Name equal to Python course. Right? I want only this Python from this entire string. How can I do that? Name of square brackets. Starting index is 0 and let me count it. I want up to n. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to n. I want up to n. So you have to take another number. 6. It is giving Python. Right? So what if I not given this n? It will give entire the string. Right? So the same thing I can do for the negative also. So in the negative indexing, I want to get this course, right? So by using negative indexing, I want to get this course. So for the starting, I'm giving -6. So for the end, I'm not giving anything. It is giving course. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the 6, it is starting from this C and till the end, I'm not giving any 1. If I give 1 here in the end, you can see it is not giving E. So you have to remove this 1. It is giving complete course, right? Yeah, it is a concept behind slicing. The next step we have string concatenation. It is used to add the two strings or combine the two strings. So now let me take example. For the variable A, I have Python and variable B equal to course and C equal to, I'm adding these two variables A plus B. The place is the concatenation symbol. So for the strings, you can say the concatenation, not adding, print C. So here you can see that it is printing, but here I don't have any space. Yeah, here just tap the space button. Yeah, now the space is getting. So it is a concatenation. Now let's talk about string methods. So first method is length function. It is for calculating length of a string. Right? So I have a variable A equal to a value program. So I want to calculate the length of this variable var. Length of var. It is giving 7. Right? So now the second one is lower. It converts all upper and lowercase to lower, right? I have a variable a equal to y Python course. So in this variable a, I have smaller case and uppercase letters. So I want to convert all these letters into the lowercase. How can I do that? A dot lower. It is converting all uppercase and lowercase to the lowercase, right? The syntax is just specify variable name and then use the dot symbol and then add lower. It is converting all characters to the lower. And we have upper. It converts all lower and uppercase to the uppercase. 3, right? So let me use the same example. A dot upper. Yeah, it is converting all lowercase to the uppercase. But if I have a symbol in between these strings, so you can see that it is not converting any lowercase or uppercase because symbols are the symbols. And number 4, we have split. It splits all the characters. So let's see, a dot split. It is splitting. Here you can see that I have this Python course in a single string, but it is splitting into the 2 separate strings. Next we have upper. It is used to check if a string is upper case or not, right? B equal to only uppercase. Let me check it. B dot is upper. It is given because it is in the uppercase. So for the smaller case, it is giving false because it is not in the uppercase letters. And next we have number 6 is lower. It is used to check lowercase or not. C dot is lower. It is false because it is in the uppercase. Now I'm giving lowercase Python. It is giving true. So guys, in the strings we have lots of methods. So how to check means you have to give the string C and then add the dot and then press the tab button. It is giving all the methods which are available in the strings. So now let me check some more methods. Capitalize. Number 7. Capitalize. So for this I have Python. You can see that. So I want to convert into the capitalize. Yeah. So in the capitalize method, it converts only the starting letter to the uppercase and the rest of lowercase. So what if I have starting is lower and the rest is upper? So you can see that it is converting only the starting to the upper and the rest of things to the lower, right? So what if I have a number with the word? You can see that it is not converting it to the capitalize, but I can do the same thing with the title. So for the same capitalize, I'm going to give another example. E equal to Python course. E dot capitalize. You can see that it is converting only the starting word in the string to the capitalize and the rest of thing to the lowercase. But another method, title. So first I want to do this thing here for the same title. You can see that it is converting the starting letter of the word to the capital case because it will ignore the rest of the symbols and numbers. It will only check for the characters and the words. So this thing also I can do it for the title. So what the title do means, in the string, if we have any number of words, it will convert all the words to the capital case, like starting letter to the capital and the rest of the letters to the lowercase. Number 9 we have index. So I have a string f equal to code, right? So I want to find the index of this C. So with the help of index, I can find the index number of this C. F dot index of C, index of this string, it is giving 0. For the index of D, it is giving, for the index of E, it is giving 3. So this method used to check the index of the string. And then we have number 10, starts with. So I can check that if my string if it starts with C or not. It is starting with the C. But if I give E, it is giving, because it is not starting with the E. And we have ends with. Yeah. So for the string, it is ends with the E or not. It is ending with the E. So for the C, it is not ending with the C. And we have number 12, we have is digit. Yeah. For the variable G equal to, I have numbers. So I want to check this string is a digit or not. G dot is digit. It is giving true because in the string I have only the digits, but I'm giving the characters. It is giving false because this string contains characters. So now I want to teach f string. F string. So let me give an example for the f string. A equal to Delhi, and then B equal to India, B equal to India, right? So for creating a string, first you have to give f and then open the and then give the inverted commas. Now open the flower brackets and pass the variable a is the capital of and open the flower brackets and give the variable b. It is giving Delhi is the capital of India, right? So for f, you can say that it is formatting the string, formatting the string, right? So when you want to use a variable in the string, you can take the help of f string and open the flower brackets in the string, right? So guys, let's solve a logical question. So take a pause here and try to choose the right option. As I told you, in the number 10 starts with, right? So try to guess the answer. So let me check the answer. 4 equal to a dot starts with C. It is giving false because in the string I have the capital C, but I have given small c. So it is a logical question you have to think, right? So give the capital letter. It is given true. So as I told you in the beginning of this lecture, I'm going to give assignments to you. So these are the assignment questions I want you to do, Right? In this we have around lots of questions. So I'm giving this link in my description. So kindly go and check it out. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Right?